Good afternoon everyone, it's Ben from BIT Solutions on my next video blog about Office 365. Office 365 has been out for quite a few years now and replaced Office 2013 as the first full-blown cloud version of Microsoft Office, which includes OneDrive and Exchange Mail. We're going to go through the basics today about what you can do with Office 365 and the benefits of Office 365 compared to other versions. At the bottom now I'll put down Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher and Outlook. So the first one we're going to go is go to File Explorer and click on OneDrive, and you can see there we've got pictures, music, downloads, documents and desktop. The only one we haven't done yet is videos. But what these are the file locations of each of the locations for like pictures of documents, but they're all pointing to the cloud instead of locally. So if I right click on desktop here and go properties, go to location, normally that would say C:/user/desktop/. Instead I've changed it to point to my OneDrive, so anything I store on the desktop, and the same with documents, it will save it to the cloud instead of locally. And the same goes for property location, the same goes for documents, property, pictures, and music. The only one I haven't done at the moment, which I'm going to show you how to do to change the location, is the video folder. Some people like storing their videos and films on their computer, and if I click on OneDrive, double click on the video folder, highlight the path for the folder, right click, go to copy, go to this PC, right click on videos, go to properties, go to location, and see it's pointing to the local one now. So we're going to change that by pasting in the new version, which is f:/OneDrive test/OneDrive/videos. Then click on apply, and it says, do you want to change the location to the new location? Yes, we do. And once that is changed, you click on OK, and if you go to OneDrive, you'll see now the videos folder is now pointing to the OneDrive folder. So anything, the good thing about all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 folders, anything happens to your computer and it crashed or died, as long as all the OneDrive folders are up to date, all of it will be in the cloud. So all you're going to do is just change the computer, re-sign into your OneDrive down here by going into more, settings, and then sign in, add an account and sign back in again, and all your documents will repopulate from the cloud again where they've been stored. So if I minimize this and go into Word, go into blank document, and we're going to create a test document, for example. So test, click on File, Save As, and you see that the OneDrive appears up here now. So click on OneDrive Personal, click on Browse, go to OneDrive, go to Documents, and then we'll create a new test file and call it test1, for example. And the good thing about OneDrive, it autosave automatically comes on. So if you're halfway through a document and you forgot to save it, this function up here, once you've got OneDrive enabled all the time, autosave comes on. So say you had a power cut and you're halfway through a document, everything went off. as long as the autosave is on, wherever you left it, it will save at that period of time and put it into your OneDrive. So it's a good, useful tool, that, so you don't lose every bit of your work. And I do try and advise that to all my customers. So the beauties of using OneDrive is the autosave. So if we close Word now, go to File Explorer again, go to OneDrive, go to Documents, and you'll see the test folder is right there. And at the moment, it's still syncing up, but you'll see down here that it's syncing everything up to the OneDrive. Eventually that'll appear with a tick once everything is put up onto the OneDrive. So it's a useful tool, OneDrive is, because you can access it all on your stuff like your phone, your tablet, or another computer. You can access it anywhere in the world. So it's a very useful tool to get all your stuff when you're on the move. So if I close that, we're going to go into another good thing about Office 365 is this, Outlook. And you see I've created a mock company called transbloutlook.com. So I'm going to click Connect. Click on Done. It's quite easy to set up an email account. We've got like multiple emails, and they're all in Exchange. You can create them and just sign in one at a time, and you just got to add another account, add another account. Useful functions of Outlook 2019 is you get the normal calendar, you get your contacts, and you get your tasks, so you get everything that's quite normal on that. You could normally do the same thing as you did before by clicking new folder, say invoices for example. So it still does all the same things like the old Outlook did. Click on new email, type in the recipient, so I just type it to my proper email account, that's blitsolutions.co.uk, do a test, and test again, click on send, and you'll see that it sits in the outbox for a couple of seconds, and that will go off in a minute. Now that's gone. Might be that yes, it has, unfortunately. Oh yes, what happens sometimes, I didn't show you this, is because this is a new email account, I'm going to sign in to Outlook to verify it. This is what's happened here. So if I click on sign in, because when you create a new Outlook account or a new Microsoft account, you have to verify the email before you can send and receive. So if I close the other one, Outlook.com. I need to verify that, so I'll just put in my mobile phone number. You have to do this at any Microsoft account. It's a new double security thing you have to do. Yeah, so it's a little bit of a downfall there because it's saying that I've done it too many times. So we can't do that verify the account, but that's how you normally do it. And then you get a test, we get a code, a verification code from Microsoft, and then you can unlock the account because then it's then verified. I'll quickly try it again, but I don't think it'll allow me to do it. No, so I'll have to do it again tomorrow. So that's how you get around that not receiving emails, because it needs to be verified. But that's how easy it is to set up a new account. You just click File. If you want to add another account, you can Add Account, and you just put the email address in, for example. And then put the password in, click on Sign In, and then the email account is now set up. We close Outlook down. Other useful things of Office 365 are that you get the usual products like Excel, Publisher, and PowerPoint. And you get the phone version as well included. We sell this product as well. It includes the whole professional package for $9.50 a month, which includes the 1 TB Exchange mailbox as well. It gives you a 50 gig mailbox with it, as well as the full Office 365 platform, which is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, Access, and Outlook. So you get a whole thing. If you want an additional mailbox, it's only £3 a month, so you get another 50 gig mailbox. You can have many mailboxes you want. You can install it on up to 5 machines as well, as long as they're on the same organisation. So it's quite a good tool to have. I just wanted to show you today how the OneDrive works and how you can access your documents through the cloud. You can also sign into OneDrive. If I click on Outlook, go into Google and go into OneDrive in here. You can also access your OneDrive through the web. You can see your folders here. If I click on documents, you can see the 2 test documents I've done, and you can access all your folders and documents online as well. So it's a very useful tool, and you can access it anywhere. As long as you've got your sign-in details, you can access it from both platforms, Mac and Windows. And on your iPhone, Android phone, tablet or iPad, you can access them all. So it's a useful tool, and I just wanted to give you a video insight on how OneDrive works, and that we can provide it for you for as little as $9.50 a month, which includes the Business Premium, Office, as well as Exchange mailboxes for £3 a month. So if you want to find out more about that, please contact me through my Facebook channel or my website or through my contact details. That's Ben from BI Solutions signing out for now. I hope you enjoyed this video.